Jack here from Welder Daydreams. Welcome back. Today we finished routing the turbo exhaust manifolds for my triple Wuhan war whistle, and it looks like this. I'm pretty happy with that. So got some supports here. Each side is bolted on there real good, so it's not just hanging off that turbo piping. And I think it's going to look pretty sweet with twin cannons coming out the back. I used the tube bender for the first time to make up these braces here. Came out pretty symmetrical, which I'm quite happy with. And we have a good amount of wheel travel before anything gets in the way. No contact on anything there. The rear structure is done. Exhaust is routed. Almost. All I need to do is make a little whoop-de-doo from this wastegate point here down into the exhaust. And route that exhaust somewhere too, I guess. Okay, so I'm not done. Next time I tell someone I want to do a triple compound turbo, slap me.